Magandang gabi, welcome sa ating post-game press conference dito sa Inari Center sa Montal Balansal. Nanalo ang PNP kontra Phoenix sa score na 93-78. Sama natin si Coach John Reyes and Calvin Octana. I think later si Ray ng Bata kaya samahan tayo. Coach John, 15-point win but meron kayong mga stretches na talagang parang nangangapa pa kayo but you got the ball rolling in the third quarter and hold on for the win.
Una-una, host ka na pala ngayon.
Utusan lang.
Okay, yeah, tama ka. No? There were stretches na masakit sa matay yung pensa namin. But as always, we rely on our defense. Okay lang if we are not making our shots or if our offense is not as smooth as we want it to be. But as long as we can make stops, then that's an important element in our game plan. Shout out to Glenn Gulundin for doing a great job on Perkins. We really challenged him to defend, and I thought he was a big part of anchoring that defense.
Calvin Octana, 15 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. Alam naman natin yung nung finals, binihita ka, tapos nagilas ka pa. Pero ngayon, fresh ka na ngayon at ako yung panalo ko na eh.
Parang fresh na to. Pero meron pa rin.
Kapilong na naman.
So, pero yun nga, first of all, thank God sa opportunity na to. Siyempre, I need to play my game every game. Siyempre, I need to offer it to my teammates, to my coaches na talagang supportahan ako. Pero dami ko nang tinira ng mga alahoy, pero coach put me in that situation pa rin. And shout out to Ray, kay Kevin, kay Gio, na bago salta sa amin. Bago lang. Roger, syempre, thank you for yun. Ganun talaga, kailangan namin simulan yung campaign namin as winning. Ayaw namin mangyari yung last conference na 3-0 na naman yung ba namin. So, take pride in it. Sana tuloy-tuloy.
Si Ray ng Bata ang ating best player of the game, 22 points on 9 of 14 shooting, 96 rebounds at 3 assists. Ray, tagal mo rin nawala. Coming to this game ba, may talagang ganado ka ba na yun nga, tagal mo nawala to pick up where you left off nung finals and then early part nung Philippine Cup before ka nag-injury?
Siyempre, excited ako kasi parang 4 months mahilig yata hindi nakapaglaro eh. So, siyempre, ito talaga yung pinaghahandaan ko. And good thing naman, yung mga teammates ko, yung shoutout to my teammates kasi talagang huge part din ako ng training camp namin. And to be honest, wala talaga ako, out of shape ako, nahirapan ako muna. But then again, nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na maka-cover, makuha ko yung rhythm ko, yung timing ko. And ayun nga, ito, unti-unti nagpungan.
Coach Tot, nung third quarter si Kevin Perez may back-to-back na tres, katulong yun para makapulaway kayo. Then nung mga fourth quarter talagang binabad mo si Gio. Assessment mo lang dun sa performance ng dalawang bago.
Laki ng tulong nila. I think ang importante is they played the role that we had in mind for them. Kevin is a tough defender, hindi mo rin siya pwede iwan sa labas kasi makapanin yung mukha nun, hindi mo rin nagtira yun. So, that's important in our scheme of things. And then si Gio naman, kasi wala kami yung panggugulo sa bola, somebody is just going to put a lot of pressure on the defense, on both sides of the ball. Kasi sa pagka-offense naman, mapapatik din sa umatake. So, that's really what we had in mind kaya namin na-pick up yung dalawang yun. And hopefully they can continue to learn our way of doing things. And we're looking to get them even more into the flow of our offense and defense. May konti pang mali here and there, but like I said, tatakpan naman yung effort ko sa amin.
Coach, of course, nung last season was hard-hitting for you. Ano yung outlook nyo this season with the na parang
it or not, it wasn't heartbreaking for us. At nakakalungkot, sayang, but we were very proud of that effort. Because yung team namin, lagas-lagas na, wala namang halos player. For us to still get to the finals, and nakadalawang panalo pa kami. So we were very proud and we're very happy of that effort. Hindi naman talaga namin in-ambition yung Grand Slam. In-ambition lang namin to be the hardest working, best condition team. Pag nagawa namin yun, hopefully the wins will follow. So ganun din ang outlook namin for this season. Basta we'll just approach every game, every possession, and play the way we know how we can play. Yun lang ang gusto namin for us to be able to play to our potential. If the wins and the championships happen, then we obviously will take it. Pero believe it or not, hindi naman talaga yung problema.
Coach, yung injuries na yung problema niya last conference, kaya si Brad na coach yung ano sa
Actually, kung pipilitin talaga, kaya naman ni Brandon, but then he had a slight strain dun sa Abu Dhabi. So we felt that it was best for us to make him recover, give him more days to recover. Si Jordan Reddington, may sakit. Ganda na pinapractice niya, pero hapon, 2 days ago, tinamaan siya ng high fever, nilagnat, so hindi siya makapractice hapon. Sinubukan niya today, hindi pa rin talaga siya makahinga. So it's really viral, so hindi rin siya nakalaro. But other than that, we expect Brian to be back. Ano siya, sitwasyon niya day-to-day. Day-to-day siya. The MRI, X-ray doesn't show any major issues. So hopefully mga practice na siya ulit in the next one.
Malalim ng gabi. So, Coach John, Cantilong Tana and Ray ng Bata, thank you po. And again, TNT winning this one, 93-78. Good night, we'll see you around.
Grabe naman yun, host natin.